In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete audience in Mailchimp. If you're trying to organize your email marketing dashboard, remove unused contact lists, or simply clean up your account, this tutorial will walk you through the process in a simple and easy-to-follow way. Managing your audiences properly can help keep your Mailchimp account more organized and efficient, especially when handling multiple campaigns and subscriber groups. To get started, head over to your Mailchimp homepage and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll arrive at the main control center where you can access your campaigns, reports, automations, and audience settings. From the menu on the left-hand side, locate the Audience section and click on it. This area contains all of your mailing lists and subscriber groups in one place. After opening the Audience page, you'll see the different audiences connected to your account. Take a moment to find the specific audience you want to remove or manage. Once you've located it, move your cursor over that audience and click the checkbox beside it. Selecting the audience tells Mailchimp which contact list you want to perform an action on. Next, direct your attention toward the upper section of the screen. You'll notice an icon with 3 dots which opens additional options and management tools. Click on that icon to display the drop-down menu. From the list of available actions, choose the Delete option to continue. At this stage, Mailchimp will display a confirmation window to make sure you understand the action you're about to take. This extra confirmation step is important because audience management can affect your stored contacts and marketing organization. Inside the pop-up window, you'll be given 2 choices. You can permanently delete the audience, or you can archive it instead. In this tutorial, we're choosing the archive option because it's the safer and more recommended method. Archiving removes the audience from active use while still preserving the information in case you need access to it later. Once you've selected Archive, Mailchimp will ask for one final confirmation. Simply click the Continue to Archive button and the audience will immediately be archived successfully. Using the Archive option instead of permanent deletion gives you more flexibility and helps protect valuable subscriber data. It's also a smart way to keep your account clean without losing information that could become useful in future marketing campaigns. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to manage and remove audiences in Mailchimp quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.